Hello everybody, we're gonna enjoy another ride today. We're going to the nature waterfall, the most beautiful waterfall in southern China State. Come along with me. Look at the both sides of the road. How you feel to see the green grass, to see the green field. Each day, every single morning, we took practice. We practice about an hour, and we take a longer trip in a couple of weeks. That's where we enjoy the ride with friends and all together. We feel so good to have this kind of tree on the roadside. We have a good shade in summer. It looked too quiet to enter this little village in early morning. No sound of human, no sound of animal. As we journeyed through the vast calm field, we were greeted by a fresh breeze, filling our lungs with clean, fresh air. We are heading south. Look at the cloud in the east. It's a kind of beautiful morning. We also call here 6 miles because it's located 6 miles away from Popong. It's a kind of beautiful and quiet village. Have a look at this house. It's smoking. Most of the villagers don't have electronics or gas to cook the meal, to cook the rice. That's why we still use the firewood till right now. Today I made a video the same way in 2 languages for my 2 channels. In my local language, another channel for my future plan. You know, if I take a trip to the world, I would speak in English. I think like this. Yeah, I hope you enjoy watching my video, and I will post so many videos in my channel, but I have a bad English. I will try to be the best. We need to hurry and catch up with our friends. They have already taken the lead. Today we are a little late. That's why we have to run so fast. Now, as I already told you before, the fun part of cycling is going down here. Just enjoying the ride, doing nothing. Have you ever seen this kind of vehicle, you know? A few of farmers still use the bullock cart in my country. That is the best time to be on the bicycle because of the cloudy weather. Before we take off, it was heavy raining. That's why the road is still wet. It's a nice view, man. It's go through the rice paddy. This is sugarcane farm and big farm. There's a 2 way to go to the waterfall. We choose BO1. We almost get to the waterfall. If we cross the 2 villages, after that we get the waterfall. This is a big farmer passion fruit. The roses stay wet and slippery. We must be careful. Look at this mountain, man. The cloud is so low. Now we get to the Lai Ka Tu village. The Lai Ka Tu Waterfall is over there, not too far from here. These are firewood, man. We use there to cook rice, to cook curry. We are walking to the waterfall to see beautiful waterfall. You have to take a little long walk. The way that's go to the waterfall, the road may be slippery and wet. That's why we have to take a walk. This waterfall is better to go in summer. In summer season. Look at it, look at this. How beautiful is that? This is my successful hiking, man. We are at the top of the hill. Wow, top of the mountain. Right now, very happy. 루다다 루드로 뭐. What kind of road is that? So beautiful landscape, beautiful landscape. We to enjoy this kind of ride. Wow, wow, wow. Little down here.